Yo, what's up, and welcome back to the AIBC Eurasia Conference Dubai 2025. I'm Adel, the host, and today we have Peter with us from Alt5 Sigma Group. Peter, how are you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for being on the show. We are here to educate about all the different businesses that are here in this space. This is my third time here. Guessing it's your second time, first time?
My first time here in Dubai.
Wonderful. Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you.
So tell us a bit about yourself. What brings you here today?
So I'm CEO of Alt5 Sigma. We are a exchange in a box for cryptocurrencies and a payment processing gateway for crypto to fiat.
Explain that to a 5-year-old who doesn't know much about crypto.
Would you like to pay for something in crypto instead of with cash or a credit card?
Brilliant. Love it.
That's us.
That's amazing. So you're partnering up with both online merchants and physical bricks and mortar. Is that correct?
Mostly online.
Mostly online.
Mostly online.
Is there more business there? Is that why?
Absolutely.
Because e-commerce is the space where everyone's shopping.
You got it.
And what sort of cryptocurrencies are you accepting or making them accept at the moment?
So it's really up to the customer.
Right.
We offer pretty much every crypto that you can think of.
Really? So
Absolutely.
Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, the meme coins can be accepted, even Hero.ai.
We're helping
Satoshi.
We're helping an American bank do a reggae offering, and they're paying in Trump coin.
In Trump coin.
For their shares.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. So what inspired you, Peter, to get into the crypto space?
So my background is IT storage, traditional storage. I've been in love with blockchain for a decade now. Just the uniqueness, the immutable ledger, the way it works,
Okay.
the distributed architecture. I mean, I look at blockchain like it's the internet.
Right. And this internet has been like an explosion since, not a couple of years ago now, but with Trump taking office, launching his own meme coin, and now like it's starting. Is this the time? Is this the year for mass crypto adoption? Do you think?
I think it's an inflection point. Absolutely. Yeah, I was quoted. A lot of people don't realize about $190 trillion a year passes international borders. And the U.S. is usually one side of that.
Right.
And because of the previous administration's view on crypto, none of that could be done in crypto. I think 25 changes that. I really do.
Do you still see a place for banks coexisting with crypto companies?
100%.
Why is that?
Well, I mean, ultimately, the brick and mortars will always be there. And the reality of it is, with this new administration in the U.S., I'm hoping to see what we've seen in places like Dubai and other parts of the world, where neobanks will emerge, and this blended hybrid of bank, from traditional banking to future banking.
That is true.
Yeah.
We are already seeing examples of this, such as Revolut,
Yep.
Monzo, Starling, I believe. Do you use any neobank personally, or are you still with a traditional bank?
Me, on a personal basis,
Yes.
I do.
You do. You use a traditional bank.
I use both.
Oh, you use both.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you use both?
Predominantly currency risk
Uh-huh.
and currency exchange.
Okay.
I get much better outcome from a neobank.
Uh-huh.
And I can
Right.
move it quicker.
Could you ever see yourself moving fully into a neobank, or never?
I could.
You could.
Absolutely.
What's stopping you?
I would say probably some of the convenience and ease. Yeah, that's still missing.
That's still missing from
That's still
neobanks
missing.
because they're still emerging.
Still emerging.
I see.
Yeah, and they still need to connect to the real world. And so that's always a challenge.
One thing about, now we're talking about crypto companies versus banks, is that with banks, you can build your credit score. The quicker you pay back your loan, the better your credit score. Can you do the same for crypto? Is there an example of that yet?
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, me neither.
So that's one thing that's missing.
That's missing.
Lending, yield generation on your deposits still has some work to go.
To go, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. While the yields are much better on crypto, but so are the risks.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's also important to protect your cash and not to lose money too. And I think there's some comfort leaving your money with a bank than leaving it with an exchange that can be potentially hacked, as we've seen with Bybit.
Yes. A lot of that news lately.
Right.
For sure.
What do you make of that personally?
Well, look, I mean, there are criminal elements in every part of life, unfortunately. I'm from Canada.
Right.
One of the largest scams in Canada was people pretending to be part of our IRS and collecting money from little old ladies.
Wow.
That money's all gone, won't come back. If you look at Mt. Gox, it gets recovered. That's one of the powers of blockchain.
That is true because of the transparency that's inbuilt with using
got it.
blockchain technology, being able to trace back the source
Correct.
of where it came from.
Correct.
You mentioned Canada. How does Canada compare with Dubai, in your opinion, when it comes to crypto mass adoption?
Okay, well, I was going to say it's a lot colder.
It's a lot colder.
For starters. But outside of that, Canada's done a decent job, but nothing like what I've seen here in Dubai, right? I mean, if you look around this city, everything from the architecture to the ingenuity to create this oasis in the middle of the desert, it kind of makes sense that they're at the leading edge and doing the same for crypto.
Wonderful.
Yeah, kudos to them.
Awesome. All right, well, we'll wrap up. Final thoughts. Is this the year we all make money and make it to the moon?
Let's hope so.
Let's hope so. Thank you so much for your time, Peter. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Peter's profile as well as Alt5. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.